Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try finish up the scooter. As you remember, we got to that point, so I've cleaned this cover now. That looks so much cleaner in there. Also cleaned the filters, so I cleaned these as well. So yeah, let's try get everything back together. But I'm just gonna try clean the inside here with some water, and yeah, let's see where we get. Okay guys, so I just tried cleaning a bit in there. Still a little bit of dirt came out, but yeah, okay. So in terms now, in terms of the belt, I got a 835. They said there were two, which is the 835 and the 842 or 848, somewhere there. So they differ in terms of length, but now they say if you go long, I'm not sure which one takes, but I decided to take the shorter one because if you go long, then you will have less power because it will grip less. And then if you go shorter, obviously, then you get more grip, you get faster speeds. So that's the one I got. So hopefully this is the one that will work. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Let's go. This is gonna be tougher than I thought. Hey guys, so I kind of messed up a bit. That belt just didn't want to go over, so I went and got another belt, the bigger one. It's a 842. So this one is a 842. The other one was a 835. So hopefully that will work. So I broke this fin here, trying to take off this nut. This is very tight and this moves, you see, so I had to try and support it. So I put a spanner there, and there's a metal steel plate there to balance it, and it kind of held it. But then this thing is so tucked in there, it actually broke that guy out. So I'm not sure if this is gonna cause any issues. It might, because it might bring an imbalance in this wheel as it spins, rotates fast. So it might, but we'll see how the scooter drives if I succeed today. If it's too bad, I'll have to wait, gather some cash, take the scooter in, go get this replaced, and get the scooter serviced while it's there. But for now, I've got a longer belt, so I'm gonna try install that now. So let's go and see if this will make any difference. Other than I think I'm gonna sit with the same issue. Yep, same problem. I think the different sizes are actually on top here. This one looks a bit wider, but the length is probably the same. But this thing is not gonna go over because it kind of has to go over a little easy. route is to get an impact driver and just take that nut out. Take this out. That's really, I'm finding that the easiest. So yeah, I struggle with the other way, and this worked best for me. So rather go that route. The belt is tight. I think I'm gonna just close everything up now and then start up the scooter, see if everything is running okay. If this becomes an issue, I will, because this is just this plate here, so I can definitely just go look for this. I'm not sure what you call this, so I'll just quickly just go look for that. But hopefully for now it won't cause any issues, but we shall see.